You're going to love this new update. Now there are text animations for both funnels and websites. This feature allows you to add captivating entrance animations to text elements on your funnels and your websites, enhancing user engagement and visual appeal. There are tons of benefits with this. First, you're going to engage your audience with a dynamic entrance animation like fades, slides, and bounces to make your content much more engaging. It's also easy to implement. This is a simple add-on, and you're going to love the animations and how easy they are to use within funnels and websites. You'll also be able to customize those effects. You're going to be able to choose from a bunch of different animations, and you're going to be able to customize how long those animations last. When you create a landing page for your business, now you can add an entrance animation to key text elements to draw in attention and make your content really pop, make it more visually appealing, and keep your visitors engaged longer. Let me show you exactly where this is located. Because this is a funnel and website update, you're going to want to be under Sites. After you're in Sites, you're going to choose either funnels or websites. For this sample, we're going to use a funnel. But as always, you can also edit something you've already created. Let's go ahead into our funnel and add a step. Once you've added a step, go ahead and click on Edit. From there, you're going to want to make sure that you have your rows and your columns. And then we're going to go to a text element. Drag that text element in. And now let's go to these new customization add-ons for animations. Now you can go ahead and add in more animation options and just simply scroll down and look what's available. There's a ton that's available. This feature enhances the visual appeal and the engagement of your funnels and websites, making it easier to capture and retain your audience's attention. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.